Hello, my name is Laura Andrea Bustos Avendaño and this is my life. When and where were you born? I was born in Pacho, Cundinamarca on December 23, 12 and 4. Where and you and who you live with? I live in the Moya, which is a rural area with my parents and my two brothers. What you like to do? I like to sing and participate in plays. Where you studied? First, I studied at the Moya School and then at the Pio 12 Institute in Pacho. Where when you went on vacation? Uh, I I used to go to my grandfather's house during the December holidays. What you usually do in regular day? I get up at 7 a.m., have breakfast, leave my house for work, and in the afternoon I get home, log on to my classes and get ahead on assignments. What you are doing in this semester? I am taking for Sawyer's production and process, anthropology, regulation, and business security, and I am doing very well. What type of technology you are using now? I use Canva for my creative work and also artificial intelligence to research and improve my projects. Thank you very much.